Right, Said's busy pitching a tent right here. Busy man, yeah, multi-talented. So we're going to sleep in here tonight, Said. It's okay, this is strong for Hujan?
Yeah, for raining it's okay.
Yeah.
Strong raining is okay, don't worry about that.
Strong raining,
Yeah.
no problem, yeah?
No problem.
The slides off here.
Yeah.
Looks good. So this is the campsite. Semua Team Johnny, ya, di sini. Yeah. Apa?
This one no Team Johnny.
Oh, this one no. This is a separate campsite we got over here. But these guys over here are also from Team Johnny. So this is like the riverside community. Oh, and by the way, this guy is cooking up a storm over here. Apa itu, mas?
Kerupuk.
Grupo.
Yeah.
Yeah, some kind of cracker or something, yeah. Looking good. Got the noodles in there, the eggs in there. Some kind of peanut sauce. Oh, look at that, little veggies and spices. Oh, it's all going off out here in the jungle. See the way I smashed the 180-degree rule into pieces there?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. It was a bold piece of composition. A bold piece of composition.
Oh, it's coming together now. The house is looking like a house. Ta-da! The roof is up. The floor's going down. Looking very good indeed. As you can see, this one's bashing up the spices. Bit of garlic and shallots, bit of chili. Yeah, garlic, chili, shallot, right? Masak apa, mas?
Soup vegetable.
Soup packet herbal. Oh, nice. So he's got a bit of tomato in there as well. A bit more pepper. I was going for it. That's going to be a tasty treat off that rock.
Oh.
Alright, these guys are doing a fantastic bit of cooking here. I don't know if you can see much, but it's all on the go. What you got there, bro?
Vegetable curry.
Vegetable curry, yeah? And, oh, you've already got a... What's
This
already...
one fish
Yeah?
or chicken.
Fish and chicken in there.
Chicken,
It's
yes,
fried in there, yeah?
Yeah, it's fried.
Ikan goreng, ayam goreng, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. But this one is really exciting for me. What's happening, mas? Lagi apa?
Lagi bikin sambal.
Yeah, sambal.
Yeah,
This is the
sambal.
beginnings of sambal.
Yeah, mix with sambal.
I tell you, sambal is one of the best things in Indonesia, right?
Yeah, yes.
I love sambal is massive part of Indonesian culture. I think,
yes.
yeah. Everybody making different sambal. There's so many different ones you can get. I'm going to show you some different ones at some point. This is the real process, yeah. Step one, Said, yeah. It's a step one. Try the apa termasuk
Tomat,
Tomat,
bawang,
ya.
garlic,
Tomato,
onion,
garlic,
cabai,
onion,
tomato.
yeah.
tomato,
All getting fried down. First
chili,
step. Yeah.
small chili.
Yeah. Bagus. I love it. I love it. Right,
Tutup aja dia ya.
I'm running out of light, so I won't be able to show you the completed meal, but there's another vegetable curry on the go there. Good size of vegetables. All the cooked meat over there.
The chicken,
Yeah.
fish.
Well, we got a bit of nasi in there, but
This one nasi.
Yeah.
The rice.
so ada nasi. Ya, orang Indonesia bilang tidak makan nasi, tidak makan. Mana?
Tidak kuat. Not strong.
Tidak kuat, yeah, not strong. Alright, yeah, it's gonna be good. Not bad for the middle of the jungle. Well done, lads. Good job. Kerja yang bagus. What is this one? Nice.
Kerupuk.
Apa?
Kerupuk.
Kerupuk. Alright. That was a delicious meal. I'm still snacking on the kerupuk. Yeah. With some kind of, what is it? Tapioca.
Yeah.
Fried. Yeah. Just like a prawn cracker, you know, but obviously no prawn taste. And you may spot there the perfect dessert, the durian. There's our spiky friend again. This one's really spiky. Got this fresh off the side of the road this morning. Actually carried it into the jungle. Would you believe it? Carried a piece of fruit into the jungle. Fire. That's what we're having for afters. Oh, and of course a gudang garam.